Hello there and welcome to this weekly update by Valet.io. I'm Valerio and I'm in charge of the WordPress updates here at Valet. There's a new acquisition in the WordPress ecosystem. Ninja Forms acquired Caldera Forms, another form plugin with more than 200,000 free installs. Nothing will change for now for either plugin operation, and we'll continue to update both plugins as soon as they release new code. How do you feel about WordPress dashboard notifications? If you are like us, you feel that the software can handle them much better. It turns out that many people think like you and me and are trying to improve the dashboard notification system. If you would like to contribute to this effort, there's a call in the link below for designers, developers, and general feedback. This week we launched the new article 24/7 website support, mandatory or myth. We discussed the common belief that you should have a support and maintenance team available 24/7. It's one take on a subject some folks feel strongly about. What do you think? That's it for the week. Have a wonderful weekend.